My main area of interest is working with people with swallowing disorders and communication disability. So people with communication disability often have trouble understanding language, or they might have trouble speaking or using language to get their message across. So our work here in Protospace is looking at 3D food printing as a potential technology that will help people with swallowing disorders, and if they're able to benefit from them. If we can make mealtimes more enjoyable and make foods that can include more people, then people with disability and swallowing difficulty will be able to access those things more effectively. They'll be able to be part of cultural meals that are taking place, eating out, make sure that they can do just the same things that people without swallowing difficulty can do, so that they're not excluded from those important events.